Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to set a default browser in your Windows 11 machine. Now, the first thing what you will have to do is you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, you will have to click on apps on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side, you will see an option which says default apps. Scroll down on the screen and select the browser you wish to set as a default. In my case, I want to set Google Chrome as a default browser, so I will go ahead and select Google Chrome. Now from this list you will have to set Google Chrome as a default. In my case, at this state, Firefox is being set as a default browser. Now to set Google Chrome as a default browser, I would make Google Chrome your default browser. Once this is done, also make sure the HTML and the other file association has been set to Google Chrome. So to do this, you will have to click on this option here, and from the list make sure you set as a Google Chrome as a default, so that any file associated with .mhtml or any of the file format is being opened with Google Chrome. So similarly, if you want to open your HTML document like SVG or WebP to open in Google Chrome, you may go ahead and click on this drop down and choose Google Chrome. Similarly, follow the same steps for the rest of the file extensions so that your file association is set to open with Google Chrome. Once this has been done, you may go ahead and close this window, and that should set your default browser to Google Chrome or any of the respective browser you decide or prefer to choose. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.